Hi friends, I bought some Traveler's Notebook inserts and some accessories that they recently came out with, so I wanted to share that with you and also share my plans, pretty simple plans for what I want to do in 2020 with Traveler's Notebook inserts. So first I want to share with you guys that I bought my stuff from a store I've never bought from called Yoseka Stationery, and they're based out of New York, and they wrapped everything really cutely. The shipping was really decently priced because it's from New York, and they also included cute little handwritten notes in there with my orders. And then the first order, they also included some cute ribbons. So they also, I noticed they also sell like Hobonichi stuff. I don't do Hobonichi, but for those of you who might be looking for a store that's in the US, you might want to check them out. Okay, so this insert recently came out. The inside is just plain, but the outside is very cute. So I got 2 of these for myself to do just like regular journaling in. And then I gotten an extra one, okay, because it's been a year since I was in Japan, but I had bought some extra stuff for a little giveaway on this channel and I haven't done it yet. So I thought I would add one of these to it. I'm hoping to post that in the next couple days or week. So look out for that if you're interested. And then the other 3 things I got, this is called a clear Traveler's Notebook folder, and it fits, it's the same size. So I thought it was cute. I could put some ephemera, or also I was thinking, you know, like business cards or things that I picked up that I want to use in my weekly spread. So I got that, and this is the design for 2020. I didn't get the stickers because yeah, I didn't use that many of them last year, so I just got this. And then I got the 2020 weekly horizontal, the same as I got last year, but I didn't do much in last year's, but I'll share with you guys what I did do. So it comes with these 2 round stickers, and last year, well this year, because it's 2019 still, I put this on the first insert, so I'll probably do that on the first insert. And then there's a little guide which I will be cutting out of. And then I got the horizontal. So this is the first insert. It comes with 2 inserts, and the first one starts in, well, okay, so it comes with, for those of you who haven't seen it, it has a year at a glance for 2020, 2021, and then it has like a monthly from January. The first insert goes from January to December, and then the weekly starts December 16th. And so this side all has the day, the weekly, and then this side just has a grid, and that's for the whole week. And the first insert's January through June, and then the second insert is from July through December. So last year, or this year, I'll show you what I did, but I didn't do that much of it. I think I did better in the first insert, but I really enjoyed it, so that's why I'm really hoping to keep doing it or finish it this year. No, finish it in 2020. So I got to about March in the first one, and then in July I thought I would try starting again, and I need to finish this. I think I'm not going to go back and do the rest of the year, but look, I decorated them and didn't fill them in, so I'll fill those in. But these I'll just use as regular journals. I just have to cover this side. I don't have to, but it's fine. So I want to fill this up, especially this one, because look how cute the sticker I put on it is. So anyways, and then the last thing I got was this washi roll that also recently Traveler's Factory came out with. And I think my favorite one part is this one, and it says, notebook is a place for you to remember the good times and get creative. So, and I also got these from the Yoseka Stationery store. So anyways, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.